Now, another thing you can do is distribution. So you can say that after this report completes running, email this report out to the people that you specify here, right? So you can write people's email addresses, comma, separated here, and then say that attach an Excel workbook to that email or a CSV or both, and then send out that email to the people that you type in here, right? So the comma separated email addresses, you can just specify, and then off it goes. It will take that and attach it to it, right? You can also say that, well, don't attach the Excels and CSVs, but send a URL to the report instead. So in that case, the person will actually receive the link. They will click the link and then see the report, right? So that also becomes an option. But actually, it's more convenient in some cases to just do a password protection. If a report contains sensitive data, it will actually apply that password to that Excel workbook, and your recipient will need to know that password in advance to actually open that Excel, which is actually pretty good if you're sending some, sensitive data on the reports and such, right? So which absolutely you can do. So these things you can do here.